Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I am down here in my craft studio, art studio, whatever you want to call it. And it takes on a different name each time I do something down here. So right now, this is called the FabFitFun Studio. So I got my FabFitFun Box for winter. I skipped fall. What I like about FabFitFun is that you can skip a delivery. You could skip 2 deliveries. I am an annual member, so you do not get refunded your money, but that money goes into your account as a credit. So let's open this up and see what I got for the winter box. So here's the box, and I am working on getting better lighting down here. I know it looks a little yellowish, but oh well. Now, what I noticed is that this box is not as big as other boxes. So I think what's happening is FabFitFun is using more appropriate sized boxes for your products. Let's open this up and see what's inside. These boxes, though, are so nice that I have a hard time throwing them away. I really do. This is a very, very good sized box for something. I don't know what yet, but there you go. The first thing I see is the magazine that you get. Now, this FabFitFun is what is called a lifestyle box. So it's just not beauty stuff. It's like kitchen stuff, lots of stuff. This box sure does look full. All right. Now, some of these things I picked out as a, some are choices from the box, and some of them are add-ons. Black. These are toothbrush refills. I had gotten a toothbrush, maybe like 2 boxes ago, 3 boxes ago, and even though it came with a refill, I was concerned that where am I going to get new refills? I saw them, and I got them. So this is Ico, and it's a shadow stick with a sharpener. Let's open it up. It has 2 sides. This looks like a really nice color. Yeah, it's like a champagne-y color. And it's a stick. It's not a twist. That's why you get a sharpener with it. And then the other side, that side was called cookies. This side is called cream. So that's a nice highlight color. Very, very nice. And the sharpener, and it has a cover on it. Some coupons. Pass this along to a friend who will love FabFitFun. And you get $15 off if you use this code. So the first person to use this code will get $15 off their first box. And the code is lowercase s 1 dash lowercase pa 5 lowercase I 7. New thing seems to be stickers, so I guess if you have a planner, these would be cute to use. Winky lip oil. Winky Luxe, and it is a lip oil. This winter has been really hard on probably everyone's lips. Things are so dry. So my final step in getting ready to go to bed is I always put something on my lips. So I am going to be trying this. Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. It's nice and thick, and you know what? It smells like vanilla. That means it's an edible product. I really love this cleanser. It smells like the original Aveda scent, which is chamomile, bergamot, and rose. And that's a good size. Here is something I was curious about. It's a Daily Concept Daily Facial Dry Brush. I might go on the World Wide Web and see what the benefits of this is. Oh, it's not hard. Well, you know what? For your face, it might be a little harsh. I don't know. Yeah, it's something you're going to have to get used to. I'm sure there's a certain way that you're supposed to use this, either in a circular motion or coming, up like that. Discover wine you love. Now, I live in Rhode Island. You are not allowed to have wine delivered to your house. This would be a great way for underage children to get wine delivered directly to their home for their enjoyment. My husband's Christmas gift to me last year and this year was to make sure I always have wine in the refrigerator. I just like white wine just a little bit at night. Kate Spade. I think these are earrings. Yes. I usually just wear one set of earrings all the time. And these are nice. They retail for $32, it says back here. And they're sparkly. And you get a little bag to put them in. I like these little bags. Actually, what you can do with these bags, especially this one, because it's such a tightly knit fabric, is that you can put air fresheners in here and put them in your drawers to freshen up your dresser drawers. Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I have a lot of moisturizers. Sometimes I wish FabFitFun just had, you could just pick out what you wanted from their whole list rather than having it in categories. I like it when they give you a spatula. Oh, and it's magnetized, so this must be metal. So let's try this. After smelling it, it has a funny scent to it. You know what it smells like? Remember when you were little and you got a new doll for Christmas? Not real strong, but it smells like a new doll. Yep, that's what it smells like. So my husband is also into moisturizing in this dry weather, so he'll be happy to see this. This is what I've been looking for. Josie Maran, is that how you say it? Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter, Sweet Citrus. Now, I do go and watch other unboxings, and I think it was, her name is Catherine. Spelled a whole different way from any way I've seen Catherine spelled. She loves this. I bet you it's sealed. It is. But you know what? I usually don't like unsealing things if I don't need to use them right away. But this deserves an unsealing. Oh, I got some right out there. Let's see. Oh. It's like a grapefruit, sort of a wonderful. It's wonderful. It just is. And everyone that opened up their jar says the same thing. It is marvelous. This is like a never-ending box. All right. Teddy Girl. And this is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Nice packaging. Ooh. And beautiful colors. There's something here for everybody. Oh, look at the names. Beatrice, Poppy, Ella, Pippa, Matilda, Lucille, Lottie, Iris, and Penelope. How cute are those names? Another thing, oh yes, I remember this. How do you even say that? Well, it's an eye serum, and I remember reading that it is good for dark circles. I just don't know if anything is gonna repair those dark circles. I think they're hereditary. I have dark circles. This comes from Spain. My mother is actually from Spain. So I get a little excited when I see something from Spain. Alright, it's an eye serum that I can't get open. There you go. Oh, you have to pull it. Oh. And then I'm going to have to read how to use this. But I can see the product inside. And It's probably controlled. Oh, here it is. I am going to figure this out. And the last thing is something really, really cute. And it is a summertime housecoat. Isn't the word housecoat such an old word? Let's call it a lounging robe. There you go. A lounging robe. Now this was available in 2 colors. It was in pink and it was in the dark blue. So let's put this on and do a show and tell. I don't have that much room to go. This is as far back as I can go. And this is really, really, really nice. It has a tie. And the length goes right to my knees. Oh yeah. This is going to be lovely for summertime lounging wear. Thank you for joining me. And remember that FabFitFun is a seasonal purchase. And I will put my code down below. But I also gave you a code for $15 off. If you use that code, it's 15. If you use my code, it's 10. But everybody can use the 10. Just one lucky person's going to get that 15. Okay, thank you for joining me. Make sure to like, comment, share. It helps me a lot in the land of YouTube. Bye-bye.